In today's video, I'm going to teach you using sticky notes with OneNote integration. Microsoft Sticky Notes now connects directly with OneNote on Windows, which means your quick thoughts, reminders, and screenshots can sync across devices through your Microsoft account. It's a lightweight way to capture ideas and keep them close without juggling separate apps. Start by opening the OneNote app on Windows 10 or Windows 11. In the top right corner, look for the purple Sticky Notes icon. You might also see a Sticky Notes shortcut on your taskbar, which opens the same experience. Click it to bring up your notes. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Microsoft account. When you sign in with the same account you've used for Sticky Notes in the past, your existing notes will migrate automatically and appear here so you don't lose anything. To create a new note, select the option labeled Add a Note. This opens a small focused note window where you can type text, paste images, or drop in screenshots. For fast screen captures, press Win plus Alt plus S to take a screenshot straight into a new sticky note. It's great for saving a snippet of a web page, a chart, or anything you want to reference later. All your notes appear in the feed pane. Click any note in the feed to open and edit it. There's no save button to worry about. Changes sync to the cloud automatically. As long as you're signed in, your notes stay up to date across your Windows devices, and you can pick up right where you left off. For quick access, you can pin sticky notes to your taskbar, so it's always just a click away. If you like to keep notes visible while you work, open the three-dot menu on a note and turn on Always on Top. This keeps your note floating above other windows, perfect for following a checklist or copying information as you go. You can also dock notes to the edges of your desktop or undock them to let them float freely, depending on what works best for your workflow. And that's it. With OneNote and Sticky Notes working together, you get a simple cloud-backed system for capturing thoughts and turning them into action without breaking your rhythm. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more OneNote tips and tutorials.